ba naman ito, di ba? Tangina.
Bayad!
Nagmukha.
Sinundan mo talaga ako dito sa Maynila! Sarah!
Huy, kumusta si tita o tito?
Sabi nila, kapag in love ka, tumitigil ang mundo mo, bumibilis ang tibok ng puso mo, at
Sabi! Youngsta na! Oh, Diyos ko, ano ba naman ito, di ba? Tangina, nagmukha akong tanga, pinaasa niya lang ako.
Di ba someone's been messaging you? So how do you stop him from messaging you?
Well, simple lang. Sinabi ko lang sa kanya that I have a genetic heart condition and my heart cannot be stressed out. So every message of his spikes my heart. Preload too high, upload elevated. So I can reply. Pero kung gusto mo talaga makipagkita sa akin, that's into the usual place.
Really?
Joke lang, sinabi ko lang na gusto ko makipagkita sa kanya.
So you're really gonna see him in that usual place and worse than usual place.
F1.
Ha? Akala mo makikipaglinta ka sa kanya?
Sinabi ko lang naman yun para tumigil na siya. Aray! Sino bang lalaki to?
Huwag na. Gusto mo pa mabibay.
Ang bastos kasi.
Teka. Huwag ka nang umembal. Don't mess with a broken heart.
Ha? Eto, nagkarelasyon? May maling tao nagkapumatol dyan?
Oo. Wako. Crush ng bayan.
No joke. Hindi nabilhan ng helmet.
Hindi ngayon yung kay Kenji eh. Yung paano kinupuri niyang Reyna Scapolo? Oh, kapangalan mo pala. Mahal na mahal niya yun. Kahit break up na sila, hindi pa rin tumitingin sa iba.
Just like each heartbeat begins with an electrical signal that refuses to rush, it lingers, holding the contraction just long enough.
Hey, that's my spot! Get out of there! Do you hear me? Oi! You hear me? You're the same way, okay?
A love that doesn't disappear even after it ends, because the heart takes its time. It never cramps, never panics, and is always ready to beat again with quiet fidelity.
Good ka na. When it drinks like that, it's like a stress hormone, sudden, but impossible to ignore.
Oy! Ba't mo ko pinaglaruan? Pinagmumukha mo kang tanga, kakaintay sa wala. Like a cell, starving for energy, running on nothing.
Kasi bitawan mo nga ako. I don't get the strength like cell without ATP.
Alam mo ba kung ano yun?
An attack?
A signal. One binding event and the whole system reacts. So, nasaan siya?
Sino?
Si Apollo.
Ako?
Yung poging Apollo. The one everyone wants. Like HDL. Desired, protected, hard to reach. Nakatingin pa ba?
Hindi na. Umalis na siya, free from circulation.
Mula ngayon, mag-on na tayo.
Ano? Magpapanggap ng boyfriend ko para magselo si Apollo. To-activate ang pathway that leads back to me. At balikan niya ako.
Can you just break it now and yet?
Not everything is broken down. Some things get recycled. Pagkataka nakalimutan mo yung at nasa sa akin. Kita mo to? You cross this. As anything damage. As anything of your mess. Bayaran mo. You're my alternative pathway now.
This is so bad. Ma, pa, sis. Si Kenji nga po pala, boyfriend ko. Na-realize ko po kasi that the heartbeat doesn't wait for its instruction. It beats on its own. Like love, it grows quietly inside, little by little, until it finally dares to speak. Even without certainty, without reassurance, it continues because real love, like the heart's rhythm, chooses to exist.
At tagal!
Ito na! Okay na? Okay na.
So sexy ka. Mas sexy.
Sana? Si Apollo?
Ha?
Nasaan siya? Kanina pa ako nag-message at tumatawag sa kanya at walang sumasagot. Ano ba nangyayari?
Baka may pinuntahan lang yung pamilya niya. Mauna na muna ako, ha? Sige, bye!
Sabihin mo sa kanya, sa susunod, nagsasabi siya.
Ano ba ginawa ng batang ito, ha? Naglinis ba ito? Nagtatalon? O baka naman pumunta sa mausok na lugar? Natuwa masyado, natakot.
Hindi ko na po alam ang gagawin, Dok.
Wala pong sinabi sa amin eh. Alam nyo naman, hindi dapat sa kanya yung extreme emotions, di ba?
Hindi ko na alam ang anong gagawin.
Alam mo naman, Jerry, di ba? Bawal na bawal sa kanya yung extreme emotions. Sinabi ko naman sa'yo, dito na lang siya sa bahay. Huwag nang pumasok, pero hinayaan niyo. Hypertrophic cardiomyopathy is not a joke, Jerry. His heart is having a harder time pumping blood than normal. When this happens, especially during stress or intense emotions, the heartbeat can become irregular. Naintindihan ko naman na gusto niyong hayaan o bigyan ng normal na buhay si Apollo. But now, we need to accept that normal life isn't possible for Apollo. The sooner we accept it, the longer he may live.
Bakit gusto mo nga umatras sa deal natin?
Kasi di ba, mukhang buwabert na si Arden sa'yo. Because electrical signals alone cannot make the heart move. Just like the words alone cannot steer feelings. So when jealousy enters, it triggers stronger emotions within, making his heart beat faster and tense out. What begins as a signal becomes force, and force becomes surge that can't be ignored like calcium influx.
Bakit nga?
Ibig sabihin nun, gumagana ang plano. Ginawa ko na maayos ang trabaho ko. Kenji, ayoko na. Itigil na natin to.
Bakit nga?
Hindi mo ba gets? Hindi ko na kaya. Hindi na rin to kaya.
Apollo, alam mo ba the heart adjusts its force depending on how much it receives? Love and care fill it. And it depends on the strength, while emptiness leaves it empty or weak. Wala na talagang taong gusto mong mahal sa akin. Then my heart has nothing to pump, and it struggles to keep going.
Kenji! 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 Ano ba? Kenji, hindi ganon. Hindi yun, hindi ganon.
Eh ano?
Hindi mo ba talaga naiintindihan?
Ang ano?
Totoo nagugustuhan na kita. At nalakot ako kasi kapag totoo na, hindi ko na kontrolado. Like a heart with thickened walls, it may look strong and confident from the outside. But inside, the ventricle struggles, relax and thin, grasping for space, intense yet trapped by fear.
Tama ka! Itigil na natin din na to. Maging tayo na. Walang kumarihan, walang laro. Toto na natin to.
Masasaktan lang tayo.
Bakit mo ba kailangan puunahan ang lahat?
Kasi natatakot ako.
Bakit?
Kasi gusto ko. Gusto ko.
And I could swear love is just a game that children play and no more than a game. Till I met you, I never knew what love was. Till I met you, this feeling seems to grow more every day. I love you, Maurice.
I love you.
I can't breathe.
Sabi ko I love you.
Sinabi kong I can't breathe. Meaning nun, I love you too.
You and I should be together.
you come with me?
Nako, sorry ha. Inaantay ko kasi si Kenji.
Si Kenji yung magpapasundo sa'yo. Nasa ospital siya.
Bakit? Ano nangyari sa kanya?
Familial hypercholesterolemia. This is a blood condition where the bad cholesterol is high due to genetics. Even if the person has a healthy lifestyle, the liver cannot properly clear out the LDL, the bad cholesterol. That's why their levels remain high. And if not addressed, it can be quite dangerous for the heart even at a young age. Then, he had an attack 3 days ago. Ayaw niya na magpagamot. Natakot ang mama niya kaya tinatawag si Kenji.
Hindi alam ni Kenji.
Ayaw niyang
Apollo, I'm sorry. Hindi ko alam na ipapatawag ni na mama si Kenji. Wala akong balak buluhin kayo. Alam kong wala ko sa posisyon para hilingin ko sa'yo. Alam kong nasaktan ko siya. Pero minahal ko siya. Mahal ko siya.
Tulong! Ayoko! Ikaw lang ang mahal ko. Minantay ka na. Di mo na ba ako mahal?
Diyos ko, mahal na mahal. It's like the heart in our body, Kenji. It needs the right lipids to produce beat and energy. My love for you will continue like HDL, returning to cholesterol, to keep the heart healthy. Pero mas kailangan ka niya.
Mahal kita.
Thank you for the 2 months, 2 weeks, 3 days, 10 hours, 57 minutes na pagmamahal na babaunin ko buong buhay ko.
Welcome back, Kenji! Meron ka rin ganito, bro. Thank you.
But that's not all, bro.
You've been waiting too long. This ends today.
I never dream, 'cause I always thought that dreaming was for kids, just a childish thing. And I could swear love is just a game that children play, and no more than a game.
Kamusta na?
Till I met you.
Sa lahat ng ospital na napuntahan ko, isa lang ang tanong ng mga doktor, paano ko raw kinaya? Sabi ko, hindi lang dahil sa operasyon at gamot. Every day, I live with the fear that one wrong beat and my heart could stop. This is life with hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. Thick walls, narrow passages, constant danger. But I didn't give up. I held on to hope. Too bad I'm gonna leave you once again. Antok na ko, Kenji.
Sparkling water. By Chris Payne.